Hello, in today's tutorial we're looking at how to do currency conversion in Google Spreadsheets. So the first thing we're going to do today is make our three columns. We'll have GBP, that's British Pound, EUR for Euros, and USD, US dollars. Now I'm just going to put in some random values in here. Let's do 10, 100, 1,000 and 50. You can see right now these are plain numbers and we really want them to show pounds. So I'm going to select these cells, go up to Format, Number, and you can just select currency if it's your default currency. But if it's not your default currency, you can always go to More Formats and More Currencies. So here, if we just type in BRI, then you have British Pound Sterling. So if we just type in the start of the word here, you can see that will pop up, so we can apply that one. Now these are displaying as pounds, which is what we want. And let's do the Euros column. Same again, Format, Number, More Formats, More Currencies. And I can see it there, Euro, so we can apply that one. US dollars, same again, Format, Number, More Formats, More Currencies. And we'll type US in here, the US dollar pops up. Apply that. Okay, so now to get these cells converting, I'm going to click the blank Euros cell. We want to type in here equals, and then the name of the cell we're converting from, which is in this case F3. We're going to do that times with that symbol. Now you want to type in Google Finance, bracket, quotation mark, currency, colon. We're going from British Pound, GBP, to Euro, EUR, close quotation, and close the bracket. Now that's converted to Euros. If we want to repeat that step for these two, we can just drag that down each time it's converting. So we can now copy this and we'll just paste it into this cell. But of course we need to change EUR for Euro to USD for US dollar. And that's converting fine. So now if you don't know the code of the currency you're converting, you can look that up quickly on Google. Quick Google search for currency codes. And the first result will just give you a list of all the currency codes you need. Let's say we're looking for Australia. You can see it there, Australia. So we have Australian dollar AUD. So if you just replace that code with AUD instead of USD, you'll have Australian dollar conversion. And that's about it. The conversion values may be delayed by up to 20 minutes on this, so they might be 20 minutes behind the real-time market values. But for generally working out quick balances, this is a really handy tool. So if you found the video useful, please press like, subscribe for more content like this, and thank you very much.